Hi, I'm Diba. I'm a Masters of Architecture graduate from Monash University. I graduated in 2023, and since then I've worked at a civil engineering firm and have also privately tutored architecture students. So after working at the engineering firm, I decided I wanted to get back into architecture. So I applied to a lot of firms around the area, sent them emails, applied online, and Rptecture architects replied to me and told me about this internship program they had, which I thought was very valuable to have. So I decided to undertake that, and from that we learnt about Revit, which is a big thing that we missed out on in university because they're more so focused on the conceptual side of design, which Rhino is very helpful in. So we learnt that during university, but in practice we need Revit. So this internship gave us the basics of Revit. And then we also were exposed to the building codes, which is another big thing that we will need in practice. And then we were also taught about soft skills through the program, so that it was teaching us basically how to hold ourselves, how to interact with others, stuff that university would never teach you, like those skills, but they're very needed when you want to find a job in any field, not just architecture. So I feel like that helped me because that pushed me to, firstly I was applying for architecture jobs, but this pushed me to take the next step in my application. So I personally reached out to recruiters, followed them on LinkedIn, and anything they posted, I would jump at that straight away. And I think that helped build the relationship with the recruiters. And this in turn got them to contact me for some job opportunities. So that really helped. And then once I landed those interviews, I was more confident, more so because I put myself in an uncomfortable position, but that built your confidence in the long run. So being exposed to those things really helped. So yes, then I was able to ace my interviews, I guess, and land a role after that. So yeah, I ended up getting a role as a playground designer. So still in the design field, a bit adjacent to architecture, but still going down that path. And yeah, so that is my story.